Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve Gcash problem device security. Let's begin. So first thing that you want to do is open up your settings. After doing so, you are going to go to your storage. So for me, it's battery device care if you're using a Samsung. Then go to storage. So from the list of options here, you're going to select apps. Then you're going to search up Gcash in the search option. Then select it. Afterwards, you are going to go to storage. After opening up storage, you are going to select clear data and select OK. And then try to log in with your Gcash and see if it fixes your problem. If that doesn't work, then there's another solution. You are going to go all the way to the bottom and select developer options. Now in developer options, you are going to toggle it off. And then go back to Gcash and see if your problem is fixed. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.